Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app lets you change the pickup time for an eligible mobile food order before your meal is prepared. If your plans change or you are running behind, you can select a different available arrival window directly from the app. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to change a mobile order pickup time in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for keeping your dining plans flexible. So first thing, open the Disneyland mobile app. Start by opening the app, launch the Disneyland app, sign into your account or Disney account if needed, and open your active mobile food order. You are ready to manage your order by now. Okay, so as you can see here, view your order details like now or next. Open your current mobile order, review your restaurant order details and current pickup window. You will be able to change your arrival time if your order hasn't started being prepared. Okay, so change the pickup time, to update your arrival window, to tap or you have to tap change arrival window or modify pickup time if available. Browse the available pickup windows and the app will display the next available arrival times. Select a new pickup window like now, choose your new time, tap your preferred available arrival window and review the updated pickup time. Your order will be updated with the new arrival window after this. So now I'll confirm your changes. Before finishing, review your updated order details, tap confirm, save or update, and your new pickup time will be saved. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.